And that it basically enables us to be the best small firm and with the power of the biggest firm in the world at the same time.
What do you say to people who've noticed this in other industries and apply it to venture? Say, hey, once these firms scale, like Andreessen or like some of the others, scale to an amount of capital under management that's just too big to generate, significant returns. That there's this trade-off. How do we think about that right balance, or what do you say to those people?
Yeah, so look, I think if you scaled it all in like a little team of generalists, then that would be very true. But if you look at what we've done, we've basically recreated the original Fund 1 7 times. So every team is like the original Andreessen Horowitz. So we really have like 7 Andreessen Horowitzes, but with common infrastructure, common LP relations, common brand, common culture across those. And that it basically enables us to be the best small firm and with the power of the biggest firm in the world at the same time. And that's reflected in the returns.
The thing that I think is different about venture is that the aggregate dollar upside opportunity on an early stage venture deal is as big as or bigger than the aggregate dollar upside opportunity on a very late stage deal. And the reason is because of the scale effect of an early stage company that really makes it, right? And so if you can make a $5 million investment in a Series A or seed of an early stage company, and you can own 20% of the company, and then it goes to $100 billion or $1 trillion in market cap, like just the raw dollars that get generated off of that are so big, they're as big or bigger than if you just the raw dollar investment opportunity off of a $100 million investment or something. And so weirdly, like from a time standpoint, it makes just as much sense for like Ben or me to spend time with early stage companies today as it did when we first started the firm, just in terms of just raw economic incentives. And in fact, that is actually how we spend time. I mean, we do spend some time with the later stage companies, but we still spend a lot of our time with the very early stage companies, and I think that will always be what we do.
And then, by the way, like that's where we have higher impact too.